To reopen a closed bank account, you will need to contact your bank and follow their specific process for reopening accounts. The first step is to call the bank's customer service number or visit a local branch in person to inquire about the possibility of reopening your account. During this initial contact, be prepared to provide your account information and explain why the account was closed and why you want to reopen it. The bank will then review your account history and determine if you are eligible to reopen the account. If the bank agrees to reopen your account, you will need to update your account information and verify your identity. This may involve providing identification documents such as a driver's license or passport and updating your address and contact information. In some cases, the bank may require you to open a new account instead of reopening the old one. This is usually the case if the account was closed due to inactivity or if it has been a long time since the account was closed. It is also important to note that if your account was closed due to overdrafts or other negative account activity, you may need to pay any outstanding fees or balances before you can reopen the account. Additionally, if you have any pending transactions or holds on the account, these will need to be resolved before the account can be reopened. To avoid having to go through the process of reopening a closed account in the future, it is a good idea to keep your account active by periodically depositing or withdrawing funds. You should also monitor your account regularly to ensure that it is not overdrawn or inactive. By following these steps and being prepared to provide the necessary information, you should be able to reopen your closed bank account. However, the specific process may vary depending on the bank and the reason the account was closed. So it is always best to contact the bank directly for guidance.